Hi, I'm Dr. Vimal, consultant pediatrician neonatologist at Cloudnine Hospital, Varthur, Bangalore. Congenital heart defect refers to malformations within the baby's heart or the blood vessels which arise from the heart. In congenital heart defect, these malformations are there right from the start, that is from the birth. The causes are multifactorial, can be result of many different causes. Most commonly, it is due to maternal illness during pregnancy like diabetes or infection in pregnancy, something like an infection called rubella. It might be due to maternal medications which are taken without a doctor's consent, something like a lithium or isotretinoin. And lastly, it can also be because of genetical issues within the family. Symptoms and signs in a baby with congenital heart disease. Now, this can come in very different varied presentations. It can present abruptly, suddenly within the first week of life with life-threatening symptoms such as bluish discoloration of baby's limbs, low blood pressure, a very fast heart rate, breathing difficulties. Or it can subtly develop over time, over months together, where baby has difficulty in feeding, putting on weight, has recurrent respiratory infections, is sort of having a faster heart rate or a sound from the heart called a murmur. Common causes of a congenital heart defect. Most commonly, they are sort of ASD, VSD, a PDA or a Tetralogy of Fallot.